All right. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the live trading session. It's Lena over here. I'm super excited to have you all tuned in today. If you're watching, um, if you're watching, sorry. If you're watching, drop in a hi and let me know where you are watching from. All right, so let us get to it. Let us get started. I'm so excited. I'm super excited to have each and everyone here joining in. All right. And remember, this stream is all about learning, staying disciplined, and growing together as traders. Um, Whether you've come here to just watch me trade or to pick a few strategies here and there, you're all most welcome. Okay, so make sure to get ready with your chats and hit that like button for me to support the stream, and let us jump straight into it. Okay. Okay, all right. So today, as we can see here on my chat, I am ready to dive straight into it. All right, so today we are looking at silver OTC. That is a pair of the coin that we are trading today. Hi King, you are most welcome. You're most welcome. You're most welcome. Happy to see you here. Okay. So as I was saying, we are looking at silver OTC. That is the pair of the coin that we are trading today. Our amount being set at 200 USD. Time expiry 15 seconds. And definitely we are using the binary options. Okay. So one thing I would love to see as many people joining in. Tell me your story, talk to me, ask a question, one or two, such that we roll together. Okay. It really makes me so happy and so excited when I see very many people in my chat section asking a question or two, getting uh, engaging in the whole conversation, in the whole trade. It really excites me. That's one thing I can tell you, and I love having you around. So if you are watching live, please drop in a hi and let me know where you are watching from. All right. So as I said, of course, we are using Hi Escofia. Happy to see you once again. Today is a beautiful day, a lovely day. So I'm grateful that you are here with me. So let us roll in. Let us see how today is going to perform, how we are going to perform today. As we look at the market, we can all see the market, and the trend we are in right now is an uptrend. That is a bullish trend. So Let's keep watching, let's keep monitoring the market, and we see. All right, all right. So as we can see over here, we've set in two positions, two buy positions. Let us see what they give us. Let us see. Oof, that is a plus. This is a great, great, great start. It is a very, very beautiful start. So let us keep it real. Let us keep it going. Okay. All right, all right. Okay, we've put in a buy position over there. Let us see. Let us see. I need to make profits. That is what I'm looking at. Okay. Oof. Beautiful. Brilliant. This is so nice. This is so lovely. Okay. Let us keep it going. Let us keep it growing. As I said, we are going to grow together. We are trading together. We are learning together. So let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Okay. All right. Let us see what happens after that pullback over there. Okay, we've put in our sell position over here. So let us see what it gives us. Oof, look at that. This is beautiful today. Like I said, King, hi over there. I see you. Shout out to you. Escofia, I see you. Thank you for joining in. Today we have started in high spirits, as you can see over here. So let us keep it going. It is beautiful. If you are watching in live, I would love to chat with you, talk to you. Please send a hi. Let us get engaged together, please. I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you. Okay, shout out to everyone who is live right now. I am very sure each and everyone is looking at their chats. We are all observing together. We are trading together. Okay. Right, as we can see over here, the market is moving up. The market is moving up, so we are in an uptrend. Let us keep it go. Oof, look at that. Okay. All right. The market might bounce back. It might bounce back. Let us see. Let us see. Exactly as anticipated. Okay. Okay, okay. Right now we are in the reverse. So as you can see over here, oh, I wish I had made calls over there. Okay, let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Okay, that is good. That is good. Okay. All right, all right. Ooh, this is beautiful. Today it is a beautiful day as we can see. Okay, okay. Hi, Florian. Happy to have you here. Happy to have you here. As you see, the market, it is really, 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 really good. I can say it is really, really good. So each and every one, wherever you are, looking at your charts, let us make this money together. Let us keep it rolling, okay? You can tell me what you think about the market, but on my end, I see the market is really, really good. Okay. Ooh, Emmanuel, you are most welcome. You are most welcome. Trust me, I was also looking around and I was like, where is Emmanuel today? Happy to see you, brother. Happy to see you around. Okay, Ezekiel, you are most welcome. Hi, Ezekiel. How are you doing today? Hope you're great. As I said earlier, the market is doing well, as we can see all of us. So definitely we expect to make money. That's good to know. That's good to know. I am fine too. I am fine too. So let us dive straight into it together. Let us make the money. Okay. All right, as we look at the market, let us get ready for a bounce back. Let us get ready for a bounce back as we look at it. Let us get ready for it. Okay, we are getting ready for a bounce back anytime now. Okay, okay. All right, all right. Oh, ah, I was late about that. I was late. But regardless, let us keep moving. As I said, today we are positive, we are disciplined, and we are going to stick to the plan. We are going to make this money, trust me. Trust me. Okay. We are making big profits. All right, all right. I'm telling you. That's market. That's market for us all. I'm telling you. Oof, 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 oof. That's not good. That is not good. Okay, let's stay focused. Let us stay focused. And like I said, we are sticking to the plan. We are sticking to the plan. Okay, let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Well, it's on a good plateau, as you can see. It is on a good plateau. Right, right, right. Let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. All right, everyone. Thank you for joining in once again. I welcome you, my beautiful people. Thank you for always joining in. Thank you for always being eager and waiting for that particular time at 10 to come and join in, to come and support the stream. I am really, 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 really grateful, and I would request you to hit that like button for me. Let us roll in, let us work together here, let us make the money together, right? To each and every one of you who is live, please hit that, send me a hi and let me know where you are viewing from. Okay, all right, this is it, this is it. Okay, let us keep, oof, look at that, this is great. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, in the comment section, please let me know. Let me know how you're doing over there. Let me know. Let me know how your chat is doing over there. Share a word or two. Let us all be involved. Okay. Florian, you are quiet. You are quiet. How is the market that side? Let me know. Let me know. Okay, let us see what it gives us over here. Beautiful. This is beautiful, I'm telling you. Okay. Let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Right, as we can see over here, we are trying to pick momentum. Let us see. Let us see. Okay, okay. Oh. Okay, right now, as we can see, it is dropping. It is dropping and it might climb back, as we see over here. So it might climb back soon. So please let us all get ready on our charts over there. It might, okay, okay, it might bounce back, it might climb back. All right. All right. All right. Hold, 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 hold. Okay. Ooh. This is a double call. This is a double call, as we can see here. It is a double call. I actually thought we might bounce back up, but it is a double call. Hi, Theo. Thank you for joining in. Happy to have you around. All right. Happy to have you around. Thank you for joining in from wherever you are joining in from. I'm happy to have you here. Okay, let us see. Let us keep it going. All right, all right. It looks like, ooh. All right, all right. Ooh, we thought it might bounce back up, but I'm telling you, we are still moving down. Okay, we are still moving down. So the trend that we are in right now, as we clearly see, it is a downtrend, meaning the sellers have taken over the market. That is what the downtrend means. It simply means we are moving downwards. We are in a bearish direction right now. As we can see, it is clearly that the sellers are in the market. The sellers are more in the market than the buyers. Yes, Alaric, we are live again. Happy to see you. This gives me a lot of happiness when I see my people back here. This is very, very beautiful. So, Alaric, as we can see, the market, we are in a downtrend. As we can see, the sellers have taken over the market. This is a clear trend. Okay, all right, we have set a position over there. Let us see what it gives us. All right. Ooh, that is it. That is beautiful. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Go ahead, King. All right, all right. It looks like we are trying to bounce back, but it is not guaranteed. It is not guaranteed. Let us see. Let us see what we have in the market. Okay, that is beautiful. Okay, let us see. We are trying to bounce back up. Okay. All right, all right. We are changing direction. We are changing direction, as we can see over here on our charts from wherever you are. Okay. I'm telling you, we are picking momentum. Let us see what it gives us. All right, as you can see, my amount here is at 200. I'm going to increase it to 300 USD. And let us see how it all plays out, how we perform. So my amount right about now, I've increased it to 300. Okay, okay. All right. Okay, okay. Ooh, beautiful. This is beautiful, I'm telling you. Okay. All right, all right. I'm telling you, the market is serious today. It is very, very serious. All right. We are breaking above. We are breaking above. We are breaking above. Okay. Ooh. That is it. That is it. Okay, we have broken above, as you can see here on our chart. Right, today's market is surely very, very interesting. It is interesting. All right, Ezekiel, we are using the pocket options and having the binary trading. And the pair of the coin today, we are having silver OTC. And you may be there asking yourself what OTC is. OTC is over the counter. Okay. So hope I've answered your question. Ezekiel. So over the counter, it simply means the market is always open. The market is always open, be it on a day, on a weekly day, weekends, public holidays. It is always open for trading. That's what over the counter means. Hope we are together, Ezekiel. And thank you for that question. It is really, really, it was a very beautiful question. So hope we are together. So let us keep it rolling. Let us keep it going. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. I do highly appreciate. All right, all right. As we can see, as we can look at the market right now, we are already in a bearish direction, but we are trying to break back up. We are trying to bounce back up. So let us see what it has for us. Yes, beautiful. Okay. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. Ha. Ooh, I was here thinking that we are breaking below, but okay. All right, all right. So as you can see in our corner over there, we are at 5,000. Oof. Like I said earlier, today is really going to be a very, very, very beautiful and exciting day. That's one thing I can tell you. Beautiful. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Hi, Prosperous. I've been here asking myself, where is Prosperous? Thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining in. You are most, most, most welcome. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? How is everything over there? For us here, things are good. All right. Things are good so far. I will say so far so good. All right. All right. Okay, we have broken above. Okay, let us see what that gives us. We have set one position over here, so let us see what it gives us. Okay, we are moving down. Okay, oof, look at that. Look at that. This is it. This is brilliant. This is beautiful. Okay, so this is the excitement that we keep getting when we are together and the market is moving in our favor, you know. Okay, all right, all right. Hi, okay. All right, everyone in the comment section, please don't keep quiet on me. Say something, say a thing or two, and please hit that like button for me. I am so grateful for each and everyone who is here. Thank you for joining in. All right, all right. Let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. All right. Okay, we have placed our position over there as you've seen. Let us see. We need profits. Oh, oh, wow. Okay, okay, let us keep it going. No losing confidence in our trade. Let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. All right. Okay, let us see. I need a plus over here. I need a plus. I need a plus. Yes, that is it. Okay, let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Okay, shout out to everyone over there. Hope everything is okay. Send me a message, send me a hi. Let me know how you are doing, how everything is over there. Share with me. Let us do this together. And like I said, we are learning and we are growing together in our trading journey. So let us keep it rolling, let us keep it going. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, all right. Those are two selling positions over here. So let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Oof, beautiful, brilliant. This is amazing. The second one, I need a plus as well. I need a plus as well. Okay, okay. All right. All right, all right. Okay. All right, all right, all right. I see you, I see you. That was, oof, that was a nice shot. That was a nice shot, okay. All right. Okay, okay. Let us shoot again, okay. Okay, let us shoot again, okay, okay. Beautiful. 4. That's it. That's it. Okay. Right. We are keeping focused, as you can see over here. All right, Prosperous. Any currency is okay as long as it's not volatile. Any currency is okay, truly. Okay. Okay, some volatile ones like gold. Oh, sorry. So as long as it is not volatile, any currency is okay. So of course, there are some others that too volatile. Now, like the gold, it is too volatile, so it becomes risky. Right, right. Okay, okay. We are getting into it. Let's see, let's see. That is it. Okay. So, all right. All right. Right. Okay. Let us see. That is beautiful. Okay. 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 We are breaking above, as we can see here on the chart. We are trying to break above. We are trying to break above. Let us see. 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 Okay. Okay. It just looks like it will drop anytime soon. It looks like it's going to drop anytime soon. All right, something small is uh, taking place right now, but right as I fix it, as I fix it. So yesterday we Prosperous. Thank you for joining in, and I am grateful that you are here. So yesterday we were talking about the different strategies, or what me personally I use. So for me, for the from the beginning, I liked and I fell in love with support and resistance. To me, it looked easy, I will say. It looked easy. And in most cases, I don't like going for complex things. I do not like going for things that will take me time to understand. I don't. So me personally, I do support and resistance. That is the that is the strategy that I love, and I took my time to understand. Like you said, you have taken some time, you have taken 5 months, but you have not seen any profits. Like I told you yesterday, let us try something different. No, let us try something different. Sorry about everything that is going on. Like I told you, I am trying to fix a small technical issue over here. So I will get back to my brother Prosperous. So as I was saying, I chose support and resistance. And of course, there are those other easy ones like trend reversals, trend continuation. Those are the things that I look at. Those are the strategies that I look at. Something that isn't going to give me a hard time. If I look at it, if I see a pullback, if I see probably maybe a higher high, a higher low, like there are certain small indicators that show you that okay, right now the market is good, you know, we can place a trade here or there. At times you could placing all your indicators and this and that, and it doesn't play out the way you expected it to. But at the end of the day, as long as it has worked for you, it has given you certain profits. At times it might not work out, but most of the times it will work out. And like I said, having a certain plan, it helps us a lot. More so having managing your risks, that is one top thing that we always have to consider. Then definitely the being consistent, the having that discipline, of course, in the risk management, we look at the stop loss, the take profit, like we look at such things. So as I was saying about oh, actually we are back. We are back. All right. Okay, we are back. We are back. All right. And I like how you're making the conversations. Let's not overtrade. That conversation is very, very good. Okay, okay. Right. Ceballos, great to see you. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for joining in. I was here asking myself, where had you gone to? Okay, so I'm happy that you are here with us. All right, Poppy, you are most welcome. Happy to see you. Happy to see you. I believe it is your first time joining us here. You are most welcome. Please hit that like button for me and let us enjoy this trade. Um, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Poppy. Thank you, Poppy. Okay, let us say something small about that strategy. Let us okay, like I was talking about my best strategy that I loved from day one as a beginner. I loved the support and resistance. So, one, as I said, it was very, very easy for me to understand. And like I've said, I never go for complicated things. Okay. So, I would say that let us go through the strategies, but I would advise that us as the beginners, someone who is trying to learn a trade here and there, a trade here and there. Okay, as I was saying, since we okay, for the beginners, I would say let us try to use the support and resistance. So basically support and resistance, this is the price, this is where the price level, sorry, let us see, I have to talk and also this chat is on my case. Okay. Right. Oh, right. So as I was talking about support and resistance, okay, let us first look at support. You see, for you to understand smoothly the support and resistance, I will give you an example. You see, let me put my hand here. So this hand is supporting whatever is up here. So when we look at our chart over here, what is down is being supported, and what is up, that is resistance, like about resistance, like let us say it is from the roof to down. Then support, it is from the floor to the roof. You get. So that will be like if it is bullish and bearish. So in a bullish direction, we are from the floor to the roof. Then from the roof, then bearish from the roof to the floor. So about support, so that I can say it acts like a floor that supports the price. You get. Okay, so when we say the floor that supports the price, that simply means the buyers are coming into the market, the buyers are taking over the market, and vice versa. So if it is from the roof, that simply means the sellers are taking over the market. So if we look at how to identify support, how do you know that, okay, here we are at support? And so we check the price previously. Okay, when the price previously reversed upwards, you get. So the price reverses from down going upwards. So that is support. Then for the for the for the resistance, sorry about that. Then for the resistance, definitely the price reversed downwards. You get. Yeah. So using the support and resistance, if we are going to use the support and resistance, there are some risk management tips that we shall definitely look at. When we are setting our support and resistance, we shall look at putting a stop loss. Definitely, as I said, putting a stop loss, that is where, okay, like you are preventing your account from being blown. Like you are putting a certain amount of money that this is what I'm willing to lose, but I cannot lose everything. So that is the purpose for the stop loss. It prevents you, or it protects you from blowing up your account. Then for the take profit, that that is a level where you believe your profit, where, okay, you believe that uh, okay, you are able to make a profit out of a certain trade that you are making. Then of course, We also look at the risk to reward ratio. The risk to reward ratio, that is where you are like, okay, I have this amount of money, so I am risking 1% to the reward ratio, which is like 2%. So that is that setup where you put like, okay, I'm willing to lose $2 and I am taking home $5. So that is the the what? The risk to reward ratio. Okay, so let us get back to our chat. Let us see. So here I have something that probably I would like to talk about. You see, when I get different people asking me about, okay, telling me that they have maybe they've had different challenges, things did not are not going the way they anticipated them to go, things like that. Let me tell you, truth be told, is we've all had challenges and we all still have challenges. So I don't want you to be there and feel like you are alone, that it is only happening to you, that you're having those certain challenges. As I was beginning to trade, I had a number of challenges. First of all, sitting down and understanding this chart was a problem. It was really, really a very big problem for me. I am seeing two candles, you know. I have to understand that when this candle is this candle is that. When in this direction we do this, this is what is happening in this direction when we like. It took me a long time to understand the chart itself. Number two, uh, I am not I am not a patient person. I will say that was in my beginning times, but when you start trading and you've lost some money, you forcefully learn how to be patient. You are forced to have that discipline. You are forced to stop using your emotions. Everything that I'm mentioning to you, those were the different challenges that I used to have. I used to trade using my emotions. Like, I would let the emotions decide everything for me in the market. Yet, the person who taught me, the person who took their time and showed me what exactly to do, showed me what exactly to do, taught me to always have a plan. Always have a plan. But me, I used to trade, I used to enter the market according to my emotions. I will look at this chart and then I'm like, you see, the fact that this is moving in this direction, I have to enter from here. Remember, I've already put up my plan. I've already executed it. You know, I've put my trend lines. I've really done a lot on my chart. But all those things don't actually matter. They never used to matter in that time. So those are the challenges that I used to face in my trading journey. I never had the patience. I never, like, I would just use my brain and think and be like, okay, it is time for me to enter into the market. Let me enter from here. However much someone told me that, you know what, you need to put a stop loss. You need to know that this is where I enter from. When you use a particular strategy, when you use this strategy, this is what happens. Be patient. Wait for that. Wait for um, wait for your predictions. Wait for your plan to be executed. I never used to wait for it. That's the truth. I never used to wait for it. When I see that, yes, I think here it is, I just enter into the market. Ah, then let us look at the hardest thing that really took me time to learn and grasp. I will not lie to you, but as a beginner, my the person who used to teach me how to trade used to teach me about the trend lines. Those lines really, really gave me a hard time. They really did. And it was so easy for him. I think maybe because he was used to it or something. But for me, it was, it really, really gave me a hard time, I should say. Then also, there are a number of strategies that I used to look at, and people used to tell me, this one is easy, this one is easy, try it out, what. For me, it wasn't, and I never learned them. That's the truth. I never learned them. Maybe if someone says it is an easy one, for me, it was difficult. So I let it be. And I will say I settled for my support and resistance, break and retest, um, um, trend continuation, trend reversal. Those are the ones that I settled. I settled for because to me they seemed easy. That's the truth. They seemed easy and very understandable. All right. So as we roll in, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so let us get into it. I'm saying, Arnold, thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. I've been asking myself, but it's great that you are here. All right, from wherever you're watching from, thank you for joining in. Please send a hi and do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, Medina. Ha, where have you been? Where have you been? Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. All right. Okay, so let us get on our chat. Let us see. Send in a message, one or two. Tell me how you are finding the market. Tell me, talk to me. Say a word or two. I would really, really love to hear from you. You know, I get so excited when I see everyone here being active. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. So let us send in a question, one or two, and let us see how we learn, how we grow together. Okay, and do not remember and do not forget that Being successful in trade is not by luck, okay? It is by doing a certain things right. You have to be patient, you have to be consistent, you have to be able to control your emotions. Risk management is very, very important because we would not want to blow up our accounts and remain at zero. You cannot be having $100 or $1,000 and then you want to put in half of it. mm? And remember, we are using binary options. That simply means we can do very, very many trades in a very short period of time. So put in what you are okay with losing, because if, let me say, if we have percentages, if you have like $100 and then you want to enter a trade, put in like put in like $5, $2, the little profit you make off that, get happy. At least you know that on your 100 you've added on something. If you make a loss out of that, it is very okay. It is not half of your 100 USD that you had. It is just a little money that you have lost. So risk management actually should be one of the things that you walk around with. Whenever you sit down on your chart, one thing that should ring a bell, that should make noise in your head, is risk management. Because at least there you are sure that you are able to control the losses, you are able to protect your account, you are able to protect your emotions, because trust me, once your account is blown, you feel like whoever sat you down and taught you about trading is the worst person in the world. I will tell you that because it has ever happened to me. I thought I did not know much about the risk management. I'll just see it. I'd be like, whatever that is, I will find it there. And then you enter into the market, you have not protected your money, you have not protected your account, all of it is blown. And then you feel like whoever came next to you and told you about trading is your worst enemy in this world. So let us learn much about risk management. Let us all let us all um, keep our account from being blown. Okay. All right, all right. As I told you earlier, we are trading silver OTC, and if you remember properly, I told you the pocket that we are using, and of course having binary trading, the coin that we are trading, we are having silver OTC, and I told you that it is over the counter, and that simply means it is open. It is an open market. If you want to trade on a Monday, Friday, over the weekend, public holidays, is always open. So okay, let us look at our chart over here and let us see. All right. All right. Oof. Okay. Okay, okay. All right. All right, all right. We are trying to break above, as you can see over here. All right, all right. We are trying to break above. We are trying to break above. Okay. All right, my beautiful people, tell me, tell me, tell me. How is your market over there? Tell me about it. Okay. All right, my beautiful people. Okay. All right, Emmanuel. I see you over there. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Sebastian has a question for us here. Does binary trades have stop and take profits? For the binary trades, for the binary options, we basically we basically set we set the time expiry. Hmm? Let me say we have set our 15 seconds. We have set our 15 seconds. So you choose the amount you are willing to risk. Hmm? So when the time expires, sorry. So what I will say, that trade automatically closes at the expiry time. So we cannot set a manual stop loss or a take profit in the binary trades. So it is an automatic thing that we have set 15 seconds and we have put in this amount of money. So when the time expires, the trade closes. You get. So it is either you have won or you have lost. So like I can say that trades end automatically when the time expires. That's, I don't know if I've answered you correctly, because okay, this this one, it is an automatic thing. It is really automatic and it is very quick and very fast. So when you set that I am using 15 seconds and I have put 300 as my amount, when the 15 seconds expire like this, you either have a win or a loss. That's one thing I can say. That's why I told you earlier that binary trades are very, very risky. Why? Because of the time that in most cases, the time that is available for a trade. You do not have enough time um, to be like, okay, let me say it, let me do this, let me do this. It is a very, very fast trade, so it is a risky one. You enter into it when you know that it is a win or a loss. When the time expires like this, you're able to see that, okay, my 15 seconds have expired, I've made a loss or I've won. That's one thing I can say. Okay. Um, the alligator that I am using. Oh, hi. Hi, Nanu. Happy to see you here. Sorry about that. Happy to see you here. So, about the alligator. The alligator is an indicator. It is not a strategy. It is it is an indicator that I am using. This indicator helps me identify the trend or the market direction. It helps me know, okay, right now the market is moving upwards, or it is moving downwards. So for it, it is basically to help me know that, okay, right now we are in an uptrend or we are in a downtrend. That is what it basically helps me do. So at some point when I am using it, I am able to know and be like, okay, since we are moving in this particular direction and my indicator has shown me this and that, right, here is a possible entry for me. That is, it is basically an indicator. It helps me in the direction of the market, and then also it helps me confirm like an entry and be like, okay, right here, let me enter. I will make a profit. I will make some money from here. So that is it. That is basically the alligator indicator. All right. Manon, you are most welcome. I've not been seeing you around. Where have you been? Where have you been? Hmm? You have been there watching me talk. I really, really love and I really love having you here. I really, really love um, seeing you around, say a word or two. It really motivates me, it really excites me, and it keeps me going. So please don't stay there and keep quiet. Say a word or two. Say a word or two. All right. So Manon, you are most welcome. I've not been seeing you, and it's good that you are here. Okay, so let us proceed. Let us go ahead. Let us see what this market is still having in store for us. So we are at 13. We are at 13K right now, as we can see in the corner here. So let us see how it all plays out for us. And like I said and requested, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Okay, okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really, really appreciate. And I am blessed to have all of you here to stay with me for this stream. I am grateful. I'm really grateful. So as we can see right here, for our indicator, like I said, so it is showing us that we are moving in a downward direction, okay, and that is the bearish direction, or the downward trend, okay. So let us keep it going, and that's simply, but when I say the downward trend or the downtrend, I simply mean that the sellers have taken over the market. The sellers are more than the buyers, and I believe we all know how that works. When it is simple, when the buyers are many in the market, we are in an uptrend. When the sellers are many in the market, we are in a downtrend. As simple as that. Those are the two trends that we have. Then we also have the consolidation. That's where we are. Um, the market is not decided. The market is not decided. Either the buyers nor the sellers. It is just in the middle there. No one, the market is not decided. It doesn't have a direction that it is taking. Okay. All right, all right. Escovia, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really love these. I really, really love these when they keep coming in. Okay, let us keep looking at our chat. Tell me what you think about your chat. Tell me what you think generally it could be here on the chat, or even outside this. So tell me what is on your mind. Tell me. All right. Okay. All right. There is a question that Sebastian asked me yesterday. I saw it, but it skipped my mind. So I'm really sorry that I did not answer it. You look at the chat here, then I also have to look at my chat over here. So I am really, really sorry that I did not answer it. So I was here and then it hit me. I was like, but I saw such a question somewhere. So it was about my pre-trading, which is like, what do I do? What do I before before um coming to trade, before sitting down here and start trading and start monitoring my chart, my seeing how everything is going. What do I do before that? To be true to you, I have something called Watcher Guru. So I'm someone who loves reading the news. I love knowing what what is happening in the world, what is going on, what is Trump saying, what is this president saying, what is happening in Asia, what is happening in Europe. Like, I want to know, such that, okay, that helps you build your confidence. Like, when you come to trade and you know exactly what is happening in the market, you know exactly what is happening in the world, you know how to set your trade. You know how to set and be like, okay, since this and this is happening like this, that simply means today, if I'm not careful, I'm going to make losses. Since this and this and this is happening, that simply means today I am going away with money. So I use WhatsApp Guru. Uh, so that's where I watch most of the news. I get to know about what is happening in the world, what is going on trade wise, what is happening, what is happening with the dollar, what is happening with this crypto, what, like, you get to know a lot of things. Then, of course, when we talk about the mindset, someone who loves being somewhere alone, take my time, clear my mind. You know, it's not so good to come and join a trade when you're carrying 1,000 problems. That simply means you are going to make losses. Every decision, actually, now that simply means you are not even going to follow your plan, because you will see that your plan is delaying you, your plan is not working. So that simply means you are going to use your emotional decisions. You're going to decide using your emotions. Okay. Okay, so then also when I come to my chart, I look at of course I have to know my risk strategy, what I'm going to use, what I'm going to do. So I will confirm my stop losses, then also the take profits. Like, there are certain things that you have to know, and there are certain things that you have to put in mind before you come down and start trading or and enter a trade. Then also definitely I have to figure out and know, okay, which strategy am I going to use this time round? Am I using trend continuation? Am I using trend reversal, support and resistance? I have to know all those things before I come and actually enter a trade. So that is my pre-trading um, uh, plan before I actually come and start trading. So when we look at my chart over here, you're seeing three lines. Mm? We have the blue line, the orange line, and the green line. So let me just tell you something small about these lines. So when the three lines are separated and are moving in one direction, when, like, you see them right now, and they're moving in are moving in one direction, it means the market is trending. It means the market is trending, and you can trade in that direction. Okay. And so when those three lines are moving separately in one direction, like I've said, it means the market is trending. So you can trade in that direction. Number two, So there, buy when it is moving up and sell when it is moving down, like in their separate way. That's one thing I can explain about those three lines. Then when the lines are entangled, like right now, you're seeing they are trying to get entangled, like cut through each other or close together. The market is flat or ranging. So in that case, it's better to wait and avoid trades. So about these lines, that is what I can say about this alligator indicator. So what I was basically telling you, I was trying to explain to you these three lines, what they mean, when to enter a trade and when not to enter a trade. So sorry, today I did not know what is happening, but I am going to be fine. So that is actually something that helps us know that, okay, right now these three separate lines moving upwards, and here is a perfect time for us to enter into the market. Or if they are moving downwards, it is a perfect time for us to do a sell. Okay, then when they are entangled, please hold on. Don't just enter into the market, because when they are entangled or close together, don't enter into the market, because that is where you will see losses happening. Okay, okay. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining in. I am really, really grateful, and I love the fact that you are all participating and saying a word or two. So please don't forget to hit that like button for me. As we keep going, I will say hi to everyone who is here, who is watching live from wherever you are. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for participating, and thank you for loving my stream. Okay, Theo, you disappeared. I did not know where you went to, but I'm here. I'm seeing you. I know you are there. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for loving my stream. Okay, okay. Arnold, I am not seeing you, but I know you are there. Okay, Alaric, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Prosperous, I see you. Thank you for joining in. Thank you. I really do appreciate. Escofia, I see you. I see you. I see you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for appreciating. It really gives me the courage and the motivation to actually keep going, to actually keep moving. Okay. Okay, all right. So like I've been saying, my beautiful people, thank you for today's session. Thank you for being here. Thank you for loving the session. It has been an amazing one, with all of you watching and viewing from wherever you are you are. Okay, I am really grateful. So I believe we have learned a thing or two, because like I said earlier, we are going to learn, and we are going to be engaging, which we have been doing. I really, really appreciate. Remember, like I keep saying, trading isn't just about winning trades, it's about staying consistent, managing your risks, and improving every single day. Every single session is progress. So whenever we come here, it is not just for just, but we learn something new, we add something new on ourselves, we improve ourselves. Okay, right. So I will say, if you got value from today's stream, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Right. So that okay, right. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe so you are ready for the next one. And if you are okay, sorry about that. And if you are catching a replay, like you were not live with us, drop your thoughts, your questions in the comments. I will always I will always respond to them, and I always love hearing from each and every one of you. Okay, okay. All right, so one thing I will say, let us stay focused, let us stay disciplined, and always trade smart, not emotional. Okay, let us trade smart, let us stay focused, let us stay disciplined. Okay, all right, everyone, thank you for joining, thank you for watching. Wish you all the best in our trading journey. Have a lovely day, have a lovely night. Love you all. Bye bye.